Thank you for watching. Please coordinate a visit to our Pennsylvania or Atlanta showrooms this summer with your Alfresco Home Sales Associate. Spend time and view our quality products, fresh designs, newest, most durable materials while preparing your fall and spring product early buy orders. Join over 100 retailers who visit annually from all over the United States and experience Alfresco Home in a focused and peaceful environment. Take advantage of our early buy programs and various special visit opportunities. And of course, let's enjoy a nice meal together, discussing the various ways in which Alfresco Home can support and grow your business and your profits. Thank you.